Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to take this set that we have just created, and I'm going to suppress the holding records on that. Okay, so I'm going to select the change holding information report, or I mean job, which is number 7. And we're going to select our set. And we're going to select apply only for Guillebeau Hall and the withdrawn location. And we're going to place a check mark in front of the tag records for publishing suppress option. The other option you can do is to unsuppress. So they're not suppressed right now, so that's what we're going to do, and click the next button. It says that this is going to apply to our set called 33 records, and the set size is 169. And we'll get a message here that says that the job is pending. And again, you can click on refresh to get an idea of the progress. So that didn't take very long, and we're going to look at the history page, and we'll see that the change holding information job completed successfully, and you'll see there's no exceptions to that. Although I thought I had 169 records, and this says records processed 162, so that's interesting. So let's look at our set. And we're going to take a look at the members. And you'll see, okay, we have 169, but it only suppressed 162. So you can go through and take a look and see there's an icon here that's an eyeball that's got a red line through it. If you hover your mouse over it, it says holdings record suppressed. And there's 9 pages, so I'm going to pause this and I'm going to go through this list and just make sure that they're all suppressed. Now, there's 9 pages, and I went through and I just confirmed that all of the holdings were suppressed, so 169. So it could be that 7 of them were previously had holdings that were previously suppressed. That's possible. I'm not really sure. One thing that you can do is you can export this set list to Excel, and we can take a look at the report and see if we can find anything that would tell us about why we had a difference of 7 records. So here's the report, and you can see that I'm going to go ahead and enable editing, but you can see the permanent location here is withdrawn, and the call number Unfortunately, what I see in this report is you can't see whether or not the item is suppressed or not. So what we're going to do is, after we suppress the bib record, we can go to analytics and run a report and create a column that tells us whether or not everything is suppressed or not. So basically that's how you suppress the holding record. And we still need to suppress the bib record. So we're going to go back to run a job. And what we're going to need to do, okay, there is a report called Suppress Bib Records from Discovery, but you have to have a set with MMS IDs. So we actually have that, I believe, with this report here. We have the barcode. Okay, and here's the set of MMS ID numbers. So what we're going to have to do is generate a set based on this column here, and then we can run the report number 43 to suppress the bib records. And then at that point we'll have the bib record and the holding record suppressed and the item marked withdrawn.